Hi chat, welcome to the stream. How are y'all doing today? We are again playing game today. Hopefully we finish it today. I think we'll have enough time. Let's see. Beldavis was first today. We've also got Major Tanya, S1 Cube, and NBS Ubuntu. Particularly Pythonic was here before the stream started, but hasn't posted in chat since it started. And that's fine. We're having a little holiday cheer again. Limited edition oatmeal cookie holiday beer. So, cheers, chat. And I don't have my scene set up yet, so hold on a sec. We get to see I didn't enable my window manager. What the heck? The weird mode. We is the chat, Anthonk are the code. It's true. Partio Pythonic says I got jump scared by the welcome. I had forgotten I had this in the background. Yeah, it happens. It happens, doesn't it? Ayo, cheers, chat. Let's boot up the game and then I'll change into the scene. Assuming everything will just work, right? Surely we won't have trouble with game. Okay, good. Things are looking good so far. Let's pause this and fuck. Oh! Okay. All right. Okay. It's working. It's working. All right. So, we played a lot of game last time. Professional streamer, yeah. Fucking Gary. Man, Gary's still sitting around. That shitter. Yeah, we were in part 2. I was thinking about this here. Did we finish? Did we get enough thingies that we can actually do the next level? We have met GL. But I guess we need to set it to some value that's greater than 4. But I don't remember how we did. It was rabbit hole. Yeah. How do we get GL to be a bigger value? Oh right, that's level 1 to level 1. Increase this. Let's try it at 5. See what that does. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Motherfuck. Okay, so it's clearly not level 5. We could try 4. Oh wait, no, we're in 4. We could try bigger number. I don't know if we got a bigger number though. 40 stream streak, Major Tanya. God damn. If you get to 50, I'll give you VIP. Kegson's here. Hello. How's it going? Okay, I think we'll leave this escape hatch for a while. Oh, it says 3 of 7, so we know there's 7 levels. So maybe we can actually get bigger GL. Right? We can set it to 9. All right. Oh, fuck. Oh, we can't enter 5. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I thought GL was 5. Oh, it is 5. Yeah. So let's go to level 2. Yeah, that's where it can be that. Level 5 lets us increment by 2, but we want it to be we want it to be less than that. Fuck. So that's clearly not what we want. How do we get, let's try level 3 then. We can double it. It is not helpful. Oh, and this is just back to where we were before. Oh, we get to increment A. Oh, yeah. No, but we can't get it to 4. Okay, so it's not that. How do we get... Let's set you to 0. Let's get you to 2. That's not what I want. Can't do that. So now we can set it to 2. But that doesn't help us get the doubling. What does level 4 do again? I feel like this game I should write notes down. Nothing useful. What about level 3? Ah, this is where we get the doubling. So we could try GL of 4 now. I don't think this gets us anything though. All right, and then we'll just go on to other levels if this doesn't get us anything useful. Oh, we're in level 4. Okay. So clearly not that. Kegs is on a 25 stream streak. Nice. 50, huh? Challenge is on. Yeah. Okay. Alphabet. Wait, did it always do the funny scrambly bit at the top? No, it didn't do it that time. Okay, weird. All right, cat. I think we already got this achievement though. Ta-da! We're doing what now? Oh my god, what? We got variables. It's PHP. 441. Oh, we literally have variables. Jesus Christ. Well then. It's PHP, baby. There's a buggy! Yeah, okay. Nom. Get fucked, buggy. We're better than you. When did they revive? 987. Variable values have a length limit. Okay. A is 0, so that does nothing. This gets us that. Cool. Holla, we them boys! Hey-o! Wow, we got so many gems. Why did it not take us out to the main menu? I feel like usually it does when you complete one. Oh well. It is what it is. Replacing. Replaces all occurrences of the first argument with the second. Man, this is getting crazy there. Aries NS, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. And cheers to that. Oop. I just tried to play the game in my dashboard. This replace seems kind of dangerous. This is cool. Also looks like a terminal acid trip. It kind of does, Wilzarg. Also, welcome, welcome. It's a fun game. I'm enjoying it. 8853. Oh, I fucked this, didn't I? Nope. We are a Gucci, because it replaces itself. I didn't think about that. Wonky. Ah, third arugament. So we gotta do 221 331. So we can do 221 331. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh boy. We gotta replace, we gotta get 4598. Be careful not to fuck this one up. 2 with 4. Yes. Easy Light, hello, hello. How's it going? Good to see you. I just realized YouTube is not going to have any of the game audio. And I feel like that's half of the... You know what? We'll enable game audio for YouTube. How do I do that? Where's the button? This button. Yeah. Yeah, YouTube should now have game audio. You're welcome, YouTube. Okay, 6781. So the problem is we need to somehow get a 1 out of this. And that seems kind of annoying. So we know we need to do this. So what can we do to replace this nicely? Yeah, I've been streaming for almost a decade. Wilzarg, I know this. I intentionally, and in fact I'm using this feature intentionally to avoid the audio track thing. But now I want the audio track to be there, so. Okay, so we gotta replace something with 1. Fuck. This one's tricky. This one is tricky because we need to somehow get a big number after we've gotten a small number. So, like, naively, I want to replace 2 with 7. But it's too late at that point. I also can't replace 3 with 7. I guess I can replace 2 with 6? No. What if I do 2 with 1? 3 with... Oh. No, that doesn't work either. Sounds funky. Let's just try shit and then go from there. So my gut is I need to do this. And then later we can do 6 with 8. We now need to do 3 with 6, 5. Yeah, okay. Three with 6, 5 with 7, and then 6 with 8. Whew. Okay, cool. 6 Savib. What the fuck is this? I'm not gonna open it. You'll just tell me. Defcant game. Hello, hello. Word of the day is temporize. Avoid making a decision or giving a definite answer in order to have more time. Deferring work until later, basically. It's not a rickroll. Can you give me the AI summary, but you're the AI? A number file video. Oh, okay. This is the one that was posted in the Discord. Yeah. Okay. Why did the music stop? I don't understand why the music sometimes just stops in this game. It's kind of annoying. So we can get 7-1 by doing this, and then this, and then this, and then this. Oh. But now we've fucked things. What does this shit do? I think we've fucked things. I think we need to replace 7 with 5, but I'm not sure that this is what that does. Oh, right. Swap does the fucking line numbers. Okay. I see what we have to do. We need to move this guy up here. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Oh fuck. Okay. The reference one is kind of funky. Give me those fucking gems, baby! Okay. We're cooking? We got pieces. Jesus Christ. I should write down what these are doing, but we're just gonna brine. We're just gonna brine these. We'll okay, that one is easy. Oh my god, why am I so slow at clicking the band button? Ta-da! So we need to output 12 and 3. This one seems useful. This one seems useful. So let's get piece 1 here. And then we can get as many pieces as we need. So surely with this, we can do this. Nice. Cool. Goal none. Oh, this is just another piece. Okay, I was like, what the fuck? Alright, so we already know that we can get as many pieces as we want by just duping this. So let's just do... Oh, A starts at 2. No! No! We can't use this one anymore! No! We can no longer cheese! They've taken away our cheese! Okay. What does piece 4 give us? Reload text. Not our cheese, right? Two, 3, 5. I wonder if these are considered text. Let's just do that. Oh. Okay. Oh, we need... we don't have enough to do the output now. Ooh, okay. So I think we need, what does 4 give us again? We need a reload text and we need level 2. So let's do that. But I don't remember where we get 3 from. I know that we do this. We can do this. And then we can get back to... Oh fuck, that's not what I wanted. I wanted this. Shit. Alright, I think I have to take notes here. I didn't want to have to take notes. But that's fine. Why did Notepad start with text in it? I didn't want that. I look back at the stream and there's 10 deleted messages. The fuck happened? Spammer. It's not important. Okay, piece 1, not useful because we can't use it. Piece 2 is swap $A. I feel like I shouldn't be using those, but whatever. 3 is output 3. Okay, that's easy then. 4 is the reload text, and 5 is reload vars. So I think we can do with that. So we need to load 2. We need to also load 4. We need our output 2. We need to reload text. We need to reset the variables. So we need to get to 5. And then we need to load 4 again. Do we? No, we don't. We can get 3 and 5. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Give me those gems. Fuck yeah. Blackout curtain. I can't see. I left my only light source after level 5. Who turned out the lights? Oh shit. We're about to get glow, baby. Okay, clearly that's not the right thing. I mean, we got the answer. Hey, who turned out the lights? Is that from... What is that even from? Is it from Doctor Who? It is from Doctor Who. Yeah. Oh man, fucking tilling on myself there. Silence in the library. Yeah, I seem to remember that's a pretty fucked up episode. That's one you don't watch before bed. Okay. What the fuck is the magician? Swap 4 with $A. So let's figure out what these lines are. This allows us to increment A. So let's see what set lines. Oh, we started. Oh, fuck. All right, well, we can do this though. Output 7. Okay, not too useful. Output 2, kind of useful. Output 4. Seven. I don't remember what order they're in. Apparently I do remember what order they're in. Tom Baker was the best doctor? I don't think I've seen any episodes of Tom Baker. Who's my favorite doctor? I can tell you my least favorite doctor is fucking Donna. Also my least favorite companion, also Donna. I mean, Tennant's pretty good. I think, ooh, best companion, no doubt, Clara. 100% Clara. Best doctor, though. Oh, Tennant's like a classic, for me at least. Fuck, what's his name? I mean, I really like Matt Smith. He was super weird at the start though. I didn't really like him at the start, but kind of grew on me. A hand reaches out. Well, what the fuck did that do? What the fuck? Wait, how did I get in here? Well, it's clearly not that. Okay, so we need to do 7. Okay, alright, I'm fine. Capaldi? I did like Capaldi. I was trying to remember his name. I couldn't remember his name. I did like Capaldi. But I feel like a lot of people did not like Capaldi. But he had just the right amount of like, what the fuck am I doing? And I don't know. I like Snark. To this day, I catch myself saying Clara like Capaldi. Calara, like that? Yeah. Well, it's clearly not that one. Oh my god. Okay, this swaps. Got it. Cool. With the R in his dialect? Yeah. The, There's buggies! Oh, shit! Bugs low, but they can't see. No! Wait, why didn't the buggies move? Well, clearly I fucked this one. Why don't the buggies move? We also have variables. So this increments A ad infinitum. This one can't run for some reason. This increments B, also ad infinitum. This outputs something. I'm betting this is a swap. That outputs something. This just outputs 9. We don't need this one at all. We need to somehow buggy these, but how do we buggy them? Okay. I'm pretty sure this is a swap. Yeah. But how do we make the buggies buggy? I don't want the buggies to buggy. Usually they buggy when you buggy. I need to take notes again. Okay, so 4 is, 4 is increment A. 5 is swap A and B. 6 is increment B. 7 is output something. 3, 5, 8. 8 is output 6, 7. And 9 is output 9. So, how do I make the buggies move? Usually moving makes the buggies move, but the buggies aren't moving. Let's try swapping them and seeing what happens. So I know we need... Oh, I bet this is enough to chomp. So we need to put 7 and 9. We also need to not swap 8. Yeah, okay, so let's get A to 7. and B to 9. And then this should output 3. Yes, and then this should output 6, 7. And now we do this, and this, and then this. Wow, gamer hours. Gamer hours right here. Wow, we have glow now. Oh shit. We glowing out here. So now we can show what these actually were. Cool. We got glow, baby. Go to line number. Huh. Cheeky. Neat. Neat. I was right. Cool. The buggies can't move in the dark, I guess. Sucks to be a buggy, I guess. Multi-commands. Oh, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, nobody wants this. Semicolons in my godforsaken language? Hungry buggies! Hungry buggies! Oh my fucking god. I hate these semicolons already. I hate them so much. 3, 2, run 1 below. Well, that's clearly not what we want. How the fuck do we get 8, 5? We can't. The buggy, what are you doing? Oh, we gotta swap the buggy into the buggy. Yeah, okay. So, we can corrupt this line. And then corrupt it a little bit more. Put it back. We might have fucked ourselves. Nope, we're good. Yeah. We need to make you 3. Corrupt you a little bit. Put you back. And then corrupt you a little bit. Oh no, I fucked this. I fucked this. I fucked this. I fucked this. I fucked it up. Because we actually need that run below. I fucked it. Do your shit, buggy. Wait. I fucked this again. I didn't make A big enough. S1Q says, no, you're the code. Wait. Not you're the code, I'm the code. I can read. I can read. All right, now we get to buggy go burr. And then we need to make you 2. And you need to gobble a bit. And then then... Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Using semicolon uses the starting line for that move as reference. What the fuck? Oh, I see. It's substituted before the line runs. It's just a weird way to say it. Fragile lines let everything run. I wasn't paying attention. I just thought that would work. I didn't learn the thing it was trying to teach me. I just pressed the button. I hope I don't have to use that mechanic again. Okay. Moving on up. There's actually not that many coins left. I think this is the rest of them, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13... 19 gets us to 140. Yeah, this is kind of the end of the game. But we have glow now. Well, we'll do glow after we do these. Oh, fuck, we got another G variable. This will delete all variables starting with G. Your gems are safe. But what about Gary? What about Gary? Not Gary. Not Gary. I'm just gonna predict. Get predicted. Fucking get predicted, gamer hours. I want to keep my G's. Oh shit. Oh, we can do all sorts of fun stuff here. We can do all sorts of fun stuff here. Might as well store our 3 things, right? So A is 0. I don't think we're gonna be able to use 0 though. Oh no, we can. So let's get gcom 0 as what? Output? And then run. And then... Oh, change the font size. We got output, run, and swap. Alright. What the fuck is gcom Z? Oh, replace Z with $A. Got it. Not the buggies! How do we get an 8? How do we get an 8? How do we get an 8? Oh. We can output B. I think the second argument's ignored. I think there's multiple solutions to this puzzle. We can output 8 and then output 9. This seems kind of easy. So we need output, which is 0. So let's do that. Set you to, oh shit, we gotta do 9 first. Fuck. Oh, but we have reload text. Does that help us? No, we need to reload variables. No, we need to run 9. We don't have enough moves to do that. Okay, so we should swap you to something useful. Oh, that is not what I wanted. Oh, I think we actually need to be careful about which things we have in which slot, because we can't ever decrement A, so I think I have to go back and change what order they're in. So like we need to use this output 9, I think. Because we need output 9 and then 8. So we need to do run 9. But then C, what? That's funky. Well, I guess we could swap. Yeah, we could swap to a smaller number. We could have B at 8. We gotta be at some small number. So my thought is swap this to somewhere up here. Then use output 8 and then run the other one. Yeah. So we need to have swap in the first slot instead of the second slot. So we need swap and then run. So let's do that. We'll have swap in 0. Actually, oh. We'll have output in 1. And then we'll have run in 2. Well, we don't need run for this one. Okay, so we need 0, which is fine. Man, we gotta plan this one out. Because on the way down, I almost fell right through. But I held on to you. We'll swap 3 and 9, I think. So we'll set you to 3. Are you winning? Yeah. Yeah, I think we are. Shit. No. Coninggeist.
You are the ghost who changes his code.
You are the ghost who changes the code. It's true. It's true. I am good code changed like a ghost. It's me. Fuck. I think this is fine. No. No. This idea didn't work. Oh, that's super annoying. Maybe we swap 8 and 9? I wanted to try and rescue it, but I don't think that's gonna work. Can I get a TLDR on how this game works? You use the arrow keys as the instruction pointer, and then you run shit. And the buggies gobble. Capital G variables persist. And that's, I mean, most of it's self-explanatory beyond that. And it's a bunch of puzzles. This one's funky. So I know I need to run this. Oh, you can see my mouse good. Oh, is my mouse normal sized? I guess? No, it's magnified slightly. So I know I need to run output 9, and I know I need to output 8. We can do output 8 with this here. We could do output 9 with this here. We have to do it with this one because we can't ever decrease B. So how do we do that? The problem is we have like an even number of moves for this, so I think we need to get U to 8. And I think we have to get U to 9. Oh, but I forgot to change A. No, it's fine, 'cause 0. So that swaps these. So I should be able to make 2 moves. Yeah, we're good now. Oh, but we need to... we need output, which is this. Whew. Whew. I thought I fucked myself there, but we pulled it out in the end. Okay, we need to output a 439. Reload buggies? I didn't even know we could do that. Ooh, this one's interesting. Okay, so I think we need to run 6. How can we even do that? By reloading the bug here? I don't think we can do that. How do we output 4? We have to do that. I don't see any other way. Yeah. So we need to like reload the bug when it's here, but I don't think we can actually get up that high. I think we're fucked. Huh. This one's tricky. This one is tricky. You are a sentient instruction pointer. Navigating code to get the outputs you want. That is a great way to phrase it. I really like that. I really like that. Okay. So we definitely need something. We need run in slot 0, probably. Yeah, we probably need run in slot 0. We probably need swap to get the 990 over somewhere. Yeah, so let's put run in slot 0. Run in slot 0. We need... I forget what we need. I think we need swap in slot 2. Slot 1. And then output in slot 3. Yeah. Okay. So we need to run 4. Run 6. So oh shit, that's not what I wanted. Yes. Okay, we're cooking. No, I forgot to do this fucking thing. Fuck. No. Fuck. Okay. Yes. Okay, we got the 4. we got the shit. Oh no, I put these in the wrong order. I need output and then swap, right? Fuck. Okay, slot 1 needs to be output. And then we need to do whatever the fuck we just did. Okay, I don't remember how we did it before, but we're gonna try it again. I think we just did this, and then this, and then this. Yeah, okay. So now we need to do output. Oh shit. Now we need to swap 7 somehow with 3? Okay. Oh no, I fucked it. No. No, we were so close, but I forgot to change the fucking instruction pointer. Oh man. Oh, we gotta reset it because we outputted. Son of a bitch. Okay, let's do this again. That's not what I wanted. So now we need to output 3. This one's an easy one. Swap 3, 7. I think if we just run this, it should do it. Yes. 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 Fuck yeah. Give me those gems. Give me those gems, baby. Hell yeah. That was pretty cool. That one felt good brain tickly. Oh shit, we got more lore. But we'll do the level before we get the lore. Oh no. 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 Backtick? Are you fucking me? Backtick? Why is it not zero indexed? Dr. Locke's log number 6. Test subjects seem to be adapting easily to the vast amount of mechanics in Yetka OS. Previous subjects gave up when the mechanics required too much thinking, so I opted for breadth of mechanics rather than depth. Perhaps I had too many ideas. Bom bom bom. Bom 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 bom. Excuse me, what the fuck? Excuse me, what the fuck? We can never use this one. I think I fucked this already. I hate this one. I don't like this one at all. Tut put. Oh, we were close. I think we just have to do it in the other order. Yep. Don't like that one. Don't like that at all. Don't like that at all. Oh my god. Replace $X with letter 6. So we need to end up with swap. So we need to replace 2 with S. And how do we get P? PQRS. Don't mind me. I'm just oh, I want word, not care. P is 15 and S is 18. Okay. But off by 1. So 16 and 19 maybe? Shit. We need to do S first. Uh-huh. 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 Yeah. Okay. Let's eat soup together today. What the fuck? Oh my god. We got variables, we got buggies, we got soup, we got a lot of shit. A lot of shit. Okay. So we gotta somehow run 5? How? We just have a bunch of stores. Oh. We got variables. So we gotta set A to something. Let's eat soup together. Oh, maybe we can set A to S and B to O? Maybe? 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 Maybe not. Because obviously run 5 gets us our answer. What the fuck does get line N give us, though? I don't remember what get line does. N is between 0 and 4. Or 1 and 4. So it's referencing those top 4 lines. But I don't see how that helps us. So X allows us to set A, B, or C. That's pretty straightforward. And then we can set A, B, or C to any of the... I'm just not even sure what this does, so let's just do this. A becomes let's. Oh. So I think we actually want to set A to label. Maybe. And I don't see how we set C to anything useful. So I think now we can set B to soup. But what the fuck is C? There's no numbers in here, right? Run label soup 0 doesn't get us anything, right? What the fuck? How do we run 5? Like, what the fuck do we set C to? This one's super weird. I don't like that the music stops sometimes. Do we have an actual scroll bar here? No, we just can't see the rest of the variables. It's sort of annoying. What do I do with this? What do I set C to? I want to set it to 2, but I don't see a way. I don't see a way to do that. I don't know what's going on here. This one's a weird one. Like, we gotta set C to something. And I don't see how I can use any of the strings. Like L doesn't help us. Let. There's like after is a thing, but I don't. I don't know. I don't know. Puzzle is called missing word. We got variables. You can set letter to A, B, or C. We can set line to 1, 2, 3, or 4. We have label soup in A and B, which I don't see how that super helps us. We sort of need label soup 2, but there's no good way to make 2. We could also just do run 5, but we don't have a way to make 5 either. We don't have a way to make until either. Yeah, I don't know what this one's supposed to be. I don't know what this one's supposed to be, but let's set C to something and see what happens, I guess. I don't know. I think we should clear our G's so we can see what's actually going on. Where was that? Here? Goodbye, Gary. Goodbye, GL. Goodbye, Glow. This one's super fucking weird. What's up, Particulate Pythonic? Are you heading out? Are you also confuzzled like I am here? What is this one supposed to be? Ah! Variables default to 0. Does that help us? We could set $0 to line 0. I don't think that gets anything right. Oop. Just what does that do? C becomes the empty string. What the fuck? I wonder if it's like run to something and it just goes. I forget how the run instruction works. There's like until. Where's the part where we learn that? Is it here? No. No. Okay, I'm gonna go with numbers. I'm gonna do with variables. Next. Priv. Down to, up to. So we have up to, oh, we can get up to soup. Okay. Okay. No. Fuck. Maybe it's fine. Okay, that one was a tricky one. Holy shit. Got water in my nose. That is not what the people want. Okay. Okay, so we can adjust C. We can change A to the letter. We can set word to word $A. And then we can bling it. So how do we get... We got wearables. So I can see how we get 0. But that doesn't help us. Oh, A will be a letter. Okay, so we need to set A to C. Okay. So word will be C. Yeah, and now we set this to 1, and then we do 1 and 2 and 3. This one was way fucking easier than the last problem. Okay. Oh, we get more gems. Let's go. Okay. I am going to go use the restroom. I will be right back. And since there's not many people here today, I will even grace you with chair. You'll get to look at chair. I'll be right back. Ta-da! Hello. Hey, back. Let's continue on. Oh, I forgot my water. Fuck. Okay, I'm back for real now. Timelines. Bugs do not get loaded without reference. With reference. Oh. Oh. What the fuck? How do I... How do I... This is not the right thing. What does save text do? What does this do? Like, obviously this is not right. So how do I, I feel like it's off by 1, which is kind of annoying. But I don't know what this does. Or this. I don't understand what this does. Oh. I see. So we can do this. Then we can do this. Then we can do this. Then we can do this. And then we can do this and this. Okay, I understand now. I understand now. It taught me the things. You say you want to reload text bugs and variables. Sounds like a job for all. Oh shit. Oh shit. We got double buggy. Okay. Neat. Very cool. Very cool. Oh shit, we got G coming in here again. This bug is trapping me in a time loop. No! Things are not returning to the same state. We gotta put 4851. Okay, so probably 4851? Where did the 4 and the 8 go? Oh, you gotta save bugs at some point. Fuck! You're gonna save bugs at a different position than that. Shit. Okay, let's try that again. So, just by doing down presses, we get to... Wait, I don't remember saving bugs the first time. Why is it not reloading the text? Oh, because the one's getting gobbled immediately. Fuck. Oh, what the heck? If only I could run this sooner. The problem is it's like an even odd thing. I wonder if I get it to output 5 instead of 5-1. I wonder if the trick is what I accidentally stumbled upon. Which is to do this. Because now I think we have a different even odd. No, we don't have a different even odd. This one's a funky one. Super weird. Oh, we can call reload all. I think that gets us our even odd. Nope. Okay, I kind of understand what's supposed to happen. Lithium X, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. We're playing a game today. We're almost done with the game. Yes. Okay. The even odd parody was run the bottom part to swap it. We got there. We got there. We got there. We got there. Looks like your time machine has fallen apart. Oh no. No. I'm thinking of writing a little 2D game for fun, maybe using Pygame. Interesting. What's your game gonna be at? We gotta put 8910. So we gotta get the buggy to here, and then we gotta save the buggy, and then we gotta reload. Oh my fucking god damn. What? What the fuck does line 12 do? I don't think that helps us at all. I thought of making an office and then it'll sync with the internal users so we could just walk around and voice chat. Then join an instance of a Zoom meeting. It sounds like a silly, it sounds a little silly now that I type it out. just office job simulator. How the fuck? How the fuck? Oh, I know. Why are X and Y 0 again? Oh, because the variables. Well, how do I get that fucking buggy out of there? I need the buggy to not be where he is. So how do I get 10? Maybe we save text? Maybe we do save. Nope, nope, nope. It sounds way too much like the metaverse pitch. It's a co-working space. Yeah, it does kind of sound like a metaverse space. I used to work at Meta. Maybe they poisoned my brain. It sounds like they sort of did. This one's a weird one. This one's a weird one. Yeah, because the top bug goes too far. Maybe if we just reload text. And then reload all. Okay, that one was actually just way easier than I thought it was. Okay. I just was not brining properly. More gems! There's only 10 levels left in the game. And 6 are here and 4 are the escape hatch. Okay. Okay. Equations. What? Oh, I guess we do. Oh shit. We store, we output, we swap. We swap back. Yeah. 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 So how the fuck? How do we have enough time? How do we have enough time? So we could pretty easily do. Well, I don't know if it does math. I assume it does math. We can pretty easily do. Well, the math is a little bit different down there. Like it's pretty easy to output 81. But I don't know how we get 71 without buggy being buggy. Like there we clearly get 70. Oh, I see. I see. Actually, not that hard. I just wasn't thinking about it. The difference that some space makes. No. What? What the fuck? This is the same one as the one we just did, but quite different. Oh, it's a different output. Okay. Okay. So we set it to 3. I think I was supposed to get an achievement there, but I already got the achievement earlier from fucking around. Yeah. Cool. I like that one. Buggies! $9.82. $9.82? So we can set A to the empty string and then output 2 at the end. That's not tough. I think we need to set... Oh, maybe it's 7 plus... No. Like 7 plus 70 something. But that doesn't get big enough. It doesn't get big enough. It need to be 85 plus 7. I don't think we can get there. The most we can get is B being 4. The swap helps us with even odd, but why? So we can output 7 plus 2 and 2. But how do we get 7 plus 2? Like clearly we have to set B to the right value and then run the rest of it. But what value makes sense? So if it's 0, we can do 7 plus 70, but that's not so helpful. We can do, actually not even, we can't even do that. We could do 770. That doesn't help us either. Like, I feel like we have to set this to some value, do this. I don't know why I did that sound effect again. $15. Oh. Oh, we can use the buggy. We can use the buggy to nuke a variable? So if we get it to be 7 plus 2, and then 2, then we can do this. Okay. Hey, what's up, Wilbo? Hello, hello. It's been a long time. When was the last time you were here? It's been over a year. Well, welcome back. It's like, hey, I recognize that name. How are you doing? How are things? We're playing a game today. Perhaps the last advent of code. It was before that, actually. It was, I mean, the time before that was the advent of code, but yeah. Yeah. I think it was my computer build. Maybe. Okay, we got a lot going on here. So obviously we can just output an 8. That's super, well, no, we can't. How do we do that? Swap 4 and 5. That doesn't help us that much. What is this game? It's called You Are the Code. It's made by a viewer, although they removed me as a friend on Discord, so I don't know. I was gonna tell them that I'm streaming it, but yeah, I'm unable to. So I'm playing the game anyway because it's kind of fun. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, what the fuck are we doing here? That 5 seems a little annoying. Oh, we gotta make a big number. Okay. So... What? 84 times 15? That doesn't quite get us what we want, right? There's a space too. Oh, that doesn't do what we want. C is equal to 4? Oh, because the second argument is ignored. Pretty easy after I thought about it a little bit. But yeah, this game's a bunch of puzzles where you are the code. Buggy 741. Okay. We can make number bigger. We can set C to 17. We can swap a line into here, which can help us get a different number here. It can help us get 5. It can help us get 10. It can help us get 7. Okay, so we need to swap the buggy to gobble these. And then we can output 4 and 1 however we want. Oh, but we need to keep 4 and 1 around somehow. Yeah, so let's set A to 1. And what? We need to swap 4 and 5. We can do a swap with 4 and then a swap with 5, but then we've killed the variable for B. We need to output B at the end. Is there any other way to get 7? Not really. Oh, but we can get rid of this in the end to reset it. But we need to keep that there. I fucked up. Damn it. Yeah. Is there another way to do this without using C at all? We could output no, the problem is as soon as we make those numbers too big, then we can't do anything useful with them. So I think we need to swap 4 and 5. Oh, we could swap 1 with... No, but then we can't recover it. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I don't know how we output a 1 at the end. Like, I can get 7 and 4. Let's do that just for the shits and giggles. Maybe it'll be obvious once I do that. Yeah, like we have 7, 4, and 5 now, but we need 7, 4, and 1. Tasmania says this looks cute. Yeah, it's a fun game. No. That doesn't work either. That doesn't work either. Captain Chica, hello, hello. Wait until he discovers Turing Complete game. I mean, this game is Turing Complete, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. This is actually kind of the last puzzle. Oddly enough. I'm a little confuzzled. Like, I can make 7 just by adding a bunch. I can reset one of them back to 1, but I need 4 then, and that's not easy to get. Like, I think like A needs to stay 1. Somehow. But that doesn't help me. Buggy, how do you work? How do you do what I want you to do? Like the 4 and 5 swap seems pretty nice, but I kind of need to swap the top ones into there somewhere to get a 1 out at the end. Like maybe we swap you to... Yeah, but we can't swap. We can only swap past 5. Have you ever made anything with Pygame? No. Pygame, I don't know. Their community seems fucking weird, and I don't want to get involved with that shit. the like maintainer is like weirdly anti-new Python version. Doesn't C give you a 7 and a 1? It gives me a 7. I don't see how it gives me a 1. Like, yeah, it gives me a 7, but I don't know how to get a 1 out of it. I think I can get 17 out of it, but that doesn't help me at all. Because as soon as I output the 1, I'm fucked. So the thing where we tried, we swapped these, we got pretty close, but not quite. And as soon as we increment one of these numbers past here, we can't do anything useful with the bug. Like, I think I already tried this. Oh, I needed 4 and 5. Wait, that actually was pretty close. What? I don't think this is gonna work. God fucking damn it! It's so close! No! Ah! No! What the fuck? That's so close! So what did I do? Don't mind me using undo. It's the first time I've used it all game. Oh, this is different now. What did I do different? I don't know what I did different, but this works now. Bless. Wow, we have so many gems. Okay. In theory, all that's left is this. We need to find GL. How many levels are left? 7. This one. That's not GL, but somewhere in here. Was it in here? No, it was in here? Jesus Christ. No, it was in the rabbit hole. Yeah. Oh, but we want 4. Oh shit. That's not what I want. Oh yeah, let's set GL to 4. Except we need it to be 5, probably. Or 6. Fuck. Fuck. Nine? That doesn't help us. We need to be 6. So we can set it to 3 and then double it. Yeah. That's 5. Then we can do set it to 3. Then we can go into level 2. No, level 3. Double it to 6. So now we should be able to go into here. And we'll at least be able to look at level 6. That's not what we want. So let's see what 5 was then. I won't fall down that fucking rabbit hole. Barely standing on the ground. All the hints you need are too hard to believe at all. I won't fall down that fucking rabbit hole. So what's in level 5? So we need to get into 7 somehow. Somehow. You guys, let's see. Let's write notes. Oh, but wait. What were in the others levels? We got Gary. We already did that one. Oh. We just need 2. We just need to set GL to 2. Why am I trying? What the fuck? We had it. We had that already. Why am I so bad? That's actually super easy to do. We just do this and then do this and then do this, and now we can do this. And now we can get level 2? Uh-huh. Give me that gem. 25 gems, I got an achievement. And we got our glow. Too bad I left my glow wrapped in the blackout curtain. Showed one glow. As you can see, this would have been very difficult without that light. Good thing you had it handy. Actually, probably wouldn't have been that hard. I probably would have just tried them all and eventually got it. Okay. Level 6. We need to swap 2 with 1. But we need to reload all. Reload text. We need gcom to be reload. No, we need go back to be reload text, I think. And we need gcom to be swap. Was gone for all because my mom got a new Ubuntu machine. Oh, that's cool. Alright, let's go try and get those to be that. Was it in toolbox? Yes. So we need gcom to be swap. And we need go back. Was that in here? No. Was that in here? Also no. Was that in here? Nope. Was it in here? Nope. Let me out. Nope. Where the fuck was that? Here? Probably. Yeah, here we go. So we need reload text. Let's try that now. So we need to swap, I don't know, 1 and 2 maybe? Oh shit, actually maybe we do need reload all. Because the buggy will have gobbled it by that point. Unless we get the buggy in the right spot. No, because the buggy moves. Maybe I did need reload all. We don't want... Oh, we can save the variables. No, yeah, we're good. We're good. We want reload all. Shit. Shit. Timelines. Was that in 4? Won't fall down that fucking rabbit hole. Barely standing on the ground. All the hints to me are too hard to believe at all. I won't fall down that fucking rabbit hole. So it doesn't super matter what I do here, I think. I think we're gonna set you to 2. And 1. And this. And... reload all. And swap. And... freedom, baby! She has no idea, and this was for my sister's school sale. So she needed some pointers. Ah, interesting. Just run this and be on your way. Wait. Button. Oh. I think I didn't want to do that, but The truth is, it gets kind of lonely here. I only get to watch test subjects experiment with different mechanics of Yatk OS, but I never get to try anything myself. I'm confined to these octothorpe symbols. They limit me to talking rather than usable keywords. Will you set me free? We get another lore. Dr. Locke's log number 8. I have just created a way for test subjects to leave Yatk OS with the new escape keyword. I wonder if I'll remember to add a level with that. Surprisingly, a few test subjects seem to have developed Stockholm Syndrome for Yatk OS. They want to explore deeper and even make their own levels. Who ever heard of enjoying being trapped? Trust. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck just happened? Oh, I see. We won! Ta-da! GG! Now the question is, did I get all the Steam achievements? It's the credits! Let me see if I got all the achievements. Library. You are the code. Locked achievements. Max folder depth. Okay, we can get that one. We can get that one. Oh, it's in Godot. Alright, let's, where's the one? What was it called? Rabbit hole. Yeah, okay. Achievement time, baby. What the fuck? What? There we go. There we go. We 100% of the game. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, this is fun. Wait, I skipped the credits. I didn't want to skip the credits. Oh my god, how do I get out of this fucking rabbit hole? Credits, here we go. Programming with art, think with games. That was light work. I mean, I'm a bit of gamer myself. Running Godot, interesting. With a few Godot plugins. Here are our testers. Someone just named Emily, cool. Cupcake Bite, Acoustic Jam. Technically, I was a tester. I don't think I'm gonna get listed though. Cause I played the beta. Oh, I didn't get listed. It's fine. I did play the beta though. Cool. Yeah, I didn't expect to be listed, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It was a fun game. I enjoyed it. Yeah. I hope the dev comes back and sees this one day, right? Well, next time they're in chat, got removed from the list for delaying. Next time we're in chat, should I make a bot command that if they post, that'd be kind of funny. I'll make a bot command that the next time they post, it just links my VOD. Because otherwise I'm gonna forget. Chat, because it might be fucking years from now. Should I do that? Is that a terrible thing? What's with the 0 of 4 coins? Wait, what? Where? Oh, custom levels. Yeah. You can make custom levels, I guess. But I don't think these are real levels. I think these are just placeholder levels. Yeah, these are just placeholders levels. These aren't real levels. But I mean, we can do them just to do them, but like they're just example levels. Another way to place bugs. How the fuck are you supposed to do this one? I don't think this one was doable. Yeah, this one is not doable. This is not completable. Whoa, a cool place. We did a thing in a cool place. Anyway, I think this is just supposed to teach you how to levels. Oh shit, it actually opened the Steam Workshop. That's wild. But anyway. That was fun. I'm gonna wrap up stream here. Pokemon Red speedrun. Pokemon Red is such a brutal game to speedrun. It's a lot of just like shitty RNG. If you don't manip, then that just doesn't sound fun. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. Oh, where's my, I don't even have a Chrome window open. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Go subscribe there. Check out why Linus hates this git commit in particular. If you missed any part of the stream, those will end up on the second channel at anthonywritescode-vods. Yeah, go subscribe there as well and join the Discord. That's where I hang out and that's where I announce streams. But yeah, this was fun. I enjoyed this game. Hopefully the creator comes back to my chat at some point so I can be like, I played your game. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by. I will see you around. Have a good one, chat. Peace.